Hello and welcome. So last time we created these two particles, rain falling and snow falling, which I personally think look really nice. So in this lecture we will be creating kind of leaves falling around. To start off, I will import a new asset, import these leaves PNG, and of course again make sure that alpha is transparent and hit apply. Now I'm going to create a new particle system, flip it, set the rotation of x to 90, hit enter. I will call it leaves. And now we need to create a material, of course, for our leaves. I will call it leaves material, and the shader needs to be set to particles additive. Now just drag the leaves PNG and drag it into the material, and now we can put the material on our particle system, and we can see we have these nice leaves falling down, but they all fall down at the exact same rotation. They all have the same rotation, so I'm going to go to the particle system inspector tab and randomize the rotation. We can set the start rotation to be a random number between two constants, so I'm going to have a random number between 0 and 360. Now we can see these leaves are all differently differently rotated. We should change the emission to maybe, oops, not the emission, the shape. Maybe just drag it like this, have it like that. You can do whatever you want with this kind of effect. I would just have it, I will disable looping, and maybe when there's a tree in the game and you pass through it, you would just sometimes simulate these leaves falling down. But this is too many leaves, so I will set the duration to be maybe 1 second. And something like that. And set the speed to be 0.5. Simulate them. And these nice leaves, which you can place around trees to maybe randomly play, depending on your liking. Of course, you could go crazy with this. Maybe have a box, and then just have a ton of these leaves, just as we did with our snow, but I really don't see the point in that. I mean, it does look interesting, but I'm just going to reset it to a cone, which I like. Okay, let's just rename it to leaves particle, and we can drag it down into our asset folder and then delete it. Now if we place all our assets, all our particles here, we can compare and see what we've learned. So we created a snow falling, rain, and leaves. Our leaves, you can't see them because they're too small, because they aren't looping. Well, I'm going to just set them to looping so we can compare all of these particles. I think personally they look really nice. These leaves can be used in a lot of ways. This rain is rain that you would see in any game, and the snow is also, you can see some of it is colliding with this. So yeah, that's all the particles for this section. If you have any requests, be sure to send us a message, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in later lectures. Goodbye.